Welcome to the NTA Net JRF lecture on teaching aptitude, presented by Dr. Anjani Kumar. This video will cover Unit 1 of the paper. We begin with the concept of teaching. Education is vital for preserving culture and is an instrument across social, economic, political, and vocational spheres. Given this complexity, a proper definition of teaching must address whether it is a process or product, indicate its constitutional factors, reveal objectives, and address its organizational and structural aspects. Morrison viewed teaching as a disciplined social process, influencing the pupil's behavior. Smith defined it as an organized system of activities, a tripolar process involving an agent, a goal, and intervening variables. Gage saw teaching as a personal relationship leading to behavior modification. Amadon considered teaching as an interactive, cooperative enterprise for achieving objectives. Clark broadened this to include all organized activities modifying learner behavior. The nature of teaching is a specialized application of knowledge to meet educational needs. Direct interaction between teacher and student is the most important element. Teaching is dynamic, social, and humane, influenced by dynamic social and human factors. It is both an art and a science, calling for talent, creativity, and systematic study. Teaching is also diverse in application, including formal, informal, and remedial forms. Furthermore, it is described as a system of actions and a professional activity for student development. Teaching is subjected to analysis and assessment for improvement, and is an interactive process dominated by communication skills. It is a specialized task and a collection of various modes. The major objective of teaching is to bring desired changes in pupils. Further objectives include shaping behavior, acquiring knowledge, improving learning skills, forming belief, and providing social members to society. These fall into categories like personal transferable skills, conceptual knowledge, discipline-related knowledge, and attitudinal aspects. A proper balance among these objectives is important. The teaching process involves three variables: the dependent variable, the student; the independent variable, the teacher; and intervening variables such as content and methods. Basic requirements for teaching also include professionalism, a suitable environment, and mutual devotion between the teacher and student. Thank you for watching this video on teaching aptitude.